everybody, Jeff here, and what a great day to be out doing a little pre-test ride. Yeah, that's right. So I'm just out doing a pre-test ride because tomorrow Murray, Ernie, Duncan, and myself are going to be heading out on a 2-day trip to do the Ride the Highlands Pickaxe Loop. Oh. So, the Pickaxe Loop is primarily gravel roads and some trail sections if you choose. That is sort of up and around the Barry's Bay area, and we've kind of had this on our bucket list to do this probably since last summer, and looking forward to finally being able to get away and try it out. It should be an interesting trip because we have got the remnants of Tropical Storm Debby moving into our area on Friday, which is 2 days from now, so the second day of our trip, which is supposed to be bringing quite a bit of precipitation. So we're packing our rain gear and anticipating that we will get one good day of riding, or one good weather day of riding tomorrow, Thursday, and then likely have our rain gear on riding in the rain on Friday, the second day of our trip, which is fine because let's face it, if you're out riding, beats sitting inside doing nothing, right? So part of the reason for the test ride is that I want to try out some used motocross boots that I just purchased. And I haven't worn motocross boots since my 20s when I raced motocross. But I gotta tell you, I got them on now. They feel great. They offer extra support and a little bit extra protection, which is super awesome. And so I'll be wearing these on the trip. I've also added a small tail bag to the back, on the back of the seat. And it's going to carry a few small items, bottle of water, some tools, things like that. And I just want to make sure that that feels right on the seat and it doesn't interfere with my seating position. And it does not. It feels great. And yeah. I think we're all ready. I've done some wrenching on the bike, and I think we're all ready to go. We're gonna pack spare tools, things like that, spare tubes, just in case. But I think everything should be good. McKinnon Brothers Brewery. Some of you probably enjoy some of their beverages. I know I do. Murray is supposed to be bringing his action camera along, and that'll give us another set of video to work from, another camera angle, point of view, so to speak. So yeah, we're pretty excited. We'll be up early, heading off, and that's all for now. I think we'll end the video there, and the next video you should see will be part 1 of our pickaxe loop trip. Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications if you want to be notified when that video comes out. It'd be much appreciated. All right, folks, take care. Bye for now.